Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Today I have very interesting clips. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
I misclicked.
Okay.
It's an honor. I'm so sorry.
Anyone in there? Oh, I like this. Watch this, guys. I call this the blind until they don't even want to play the game anymore. Keep blinding.
Blind them for a million years. Nice, Sykkuno.
Yeah, I call that the blind them until they don't want to play anymore. It works every time. I don't know.
Is this LG?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For
Okay.
me
Yeah,
and
it sounds
For
like
me,
it.
yeah.
For me
Okay.
too. Hentai.
Oh,
All right, LG.
all right.
Make it count.
Well, time for my secret pocket pick
Oh.
that you've never expected.
Breach? What? Actually?
I've never,
There's no way.
I've never played this guy in my life. I've never played it, but I want to lock it in for the memes.
Quite literally no way.
He's trolling. He's trolling.
I want to lock it in for the
He's
memes.
trolling. He's trolling. There is no way he locks it in.
Oh, got some lessons from Toast, perhaps.
I want to lock it in for the memes.
I dare you, Sykkuno. I
You think I
dare
won't?
you
You think
to
I
lock
won't
it
do
in.
it, Ray? You think
I
I
know
won't?
you won't. You won't
I'm crazy.
do it.
I'm crazy. I'm literally
You
crazy.
won't do it.
I'm an
You know
actual madman. I'll do it.
I believe it.
Do it.
Yeah, you are. You are a madman.
Do it. Do it.
I can't do it. I can't do it. I did it. I did it, Ray. I'm crazy. I'm crazy. I'm crazy, Ray. I'm crazy.
I am so ready to be perma-blinded
Look, guys,
between
I'll be honest.
our Breach and our Sky.
I've actually never played this character ever. I don't even know. I know he has blinds and some other stuff, but other than that,
He has a really good, like, explosion.
oh
ability.
Jesus. Exhausted. Thanks for the 5 gift
It's
subs.
okay. I did the other guy for the first time today, and it
I've never done
We're
this
going
in my life, but we're
Hey,
gonna
it did go
try.
well. It worked a lot.
Wait, you can see their names are under.
Sykkuno, you're gonna choose where we go at 2 seconds left, okay?
All right.
Ready? And go.
Yep, I'm going B.
All right.
Just kidding, I'm going B.
Oh,
Genius plays right there. Genius.
They got jukes.
Okay. What? EU friendly? Well, guys, I'm not from EU, so it's tougher for me to stream. Like, what am I supposed to do? All right.
That's yellow box.
He's yellow,
Oh,
yellow,
yeah,
yellow.
yeah, Karen. Nice.
Well, that works pretty well. Give me that. Give me that. 17 bullets left. Okay.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. They have res.
What? Oh. Oh, she must have come out from the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I
Can
checked
I
it.
res Sykkuno? No.
I'm gonna hide in this corner. Nya, thanks for the sub. Wow, thanks, Leslie.
Hand delivered.
Oh my god!
Oh god! Oh god!
I was so in panic. I was watching you heal me, and then you just got
Don't worry. There's no way we lose.
140
There's
on
no
her though.
way
She's
we
one
lose. We
shotable.
actually
One
can't.
shotable. You can shoot her anywhere. She'll die. Okay. All right.
Pick him up.
What the fuck? What is happening?
Oh god.
idea where anyone was.
Switching sides.
Well, that just happened. All right, let's get the light shields. You know what?
Okay,
It's
you know
time
what?
for a shorty.
Fine, they can have two.
Wait, did you just say you know what?
What?
Nothing. I can't believe
You
it.
know what?
We both just said you know what at the same time.
You know.
That's so weird.
No.
Anyway,
Is that your GTA name?
You
oh
know.
yeah. Oh
You
no,
know?
that's not. No, I was muted talking to stream, and I said you know what, and then you said you know what,
Wait,
right?
really?
Yeah,
Wait,
that
did we
was
at the same time?
like within like a second. It was really weird.
That's actually kind of creepy.
Shared brain
What do
cell.
you mean creepy? What do you mean creepy?
Creepy. I don't like it.
Wait,
What-
Leslie, why
well-
did you
well,
say
I was
brain
muted.
cell?
I didn't
Like
know you were
one,
gonna
like
say-
they're only
I-
sharing
no.
one.
No, don't they share
That
brain
was weird.
cell? Isn't that it?
Huh?
Isn't that what
Well,
people say?
I took.
Yeah, people
I
call
took
us the
over
fraternal
today.
twins. Maternal
Return
twins?
infernal
Infernal flames.
Inferred,
Wait,
inferred.
infernal.
Infrared.
fermented-
Go be
Infrared.
Madame
Infrared.
Yvonne.
How did you tank?
So.
Yeah,
How did he
yeah.
take
Speed,
that?
speed, speed.
I'm never buying the shorty again. I never again. This should be illegal to
That's
tank that.
No, you didn't.
I can't believe it.
Yeah.
How can you take that? That's illegal.
Sykkuno, we can be the fermented friends.
Ferment like kimchi?
Yeah, like kimchi.
This.
What? Where is everybody?
Oh shoot.
Okay.
I did not need to use
Eyes
the
down.
thingos, but you know
Where
what?
are they? Any ideas? Oh,
They're both in ropes.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Oh,
oh my god, I shouldn't have been able to do that. I shouldn't have been able to do. If Yvonne somehow dies, we'll take the judge from her. Nice, Yvonne. Well, how am I gonna get the judge? He's gonna camp it.
Oh. Oh.
Nice.
Jesus!
There, now you got
Jesus! Oh, Spectre.
Yeah.
Alright, there's no way. It's 3 against 1. I'm dead. What?
Oh, one's garage.
Oh. I just gotta kill him anyway. Oh, jeez. He's gonna peek me again, right? He can't resist.
Yeah, he can.
How am I reloading? Oh, God.
He's gonna do it again. He's gonna
You
do
can
it.
get this guy. You can get this guy.
Ow, my feet.
Oh.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
No, second.
Oh god, I'm dead. My foot. Oh Jesus. My foot, and then the trap, and then no. I'm dead. Rolling thunder. Oh.
He's elbow on B.
Is that why is
Okay.
that X in there? Oh gosh.
Well, let's just let's pull our knives out and see what happens. There's no way they go B again, right? I think it's A. Ow, never mind, there's one here.
Oh, nice.
Huh?
Oh my. Oh, it's Sykkuno.
Sykkuno?
I don't know if I can, what? Oh god, he was behind me, Jesus. Oh god, why were there so many?
Is that the ace?
Oh
It
It
god,
would have been.
it would have been, but he was behind me, so.
What if I?
Oh, maybe if you. Oh. Thanks. Yeah, good. No. I can't help but notice
Nice.
that.
Nice.
This stage
Okay.
almost took us all
Can't
out.
help but notice that we just finished 7 rounds and I have 8 deaths.
Here, Mon, I got you off again.
Oh, Pizor, thanks for the 10 gift subs,
I
Pizor.
could've put him on
But the
wall,
other
like,
jet
wait,
has
do I
been
put the
revived
wall?
even
And
more.
then, you know,
But she has
but then,
9.
Like, you could have gotten it, but then you didn't.
Okay.
Don't forget armor, Yvonne.
All right.
Oh shoot.
And Fox, thanks for the
Thank you.
sub also, Fox. You're cracked? Well, if we got the ace, we would have
together.
All right, here we go. I'm just gonna charge. Where? There's 2 of them. Oh,
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
he healed, I think. He must be in the elbow lamp. Wait, what?
Oh whoa.
Oh, he healed himself. Oh my god, Pokey, you're a legend.
There it is.
I think you have to. Oh, I saw him healing looking at the lamps, so I thought he was at lamps. He was healing himself.
Let's go. And our save round.
Guys, are you?
I love girls.
Oh yeah, me too.
Oh, Sykkuno? Sykkuno
Huh?
loves girls.
Oh, your chat's good.
What did you?
What kind of girls?
I was just trying to join in. I was trying to join it. I was trying to fit in with every.
Yeah.
What? I was trying to join in. I thought.
Of course, my lady. Quite wealthy.
I was trying to fit in. Okay. All right, Leslie, let's do it.
Okay. Oh, they're here. They're here.
Oh, they're here. They're definitely here.
Definitely here.
Here, I
you
got
Oh
say.
God, my reflexes.
Oh shit.
There's no way they push us. Let's crossfire them, Leslie, when they push in. Oh,
Oh my God,
Oh.
you guys are
Got it.
I hit another one.
drain him, drain him.
Oh, no, let's quickly
Wait, can
go.
you drain if I kill him? You
No.
can't, can
Oh, yeah, I
Last
can.
one is
Wait, no, no,
market
I have to.
area.
Goodnesses.
you? What? He's super low. Nice.
Nice.
You can actually play with your friends now. Nobody speaks. Ow, did I even hit him?
I'm gonna
I
go
don't even know
through
if I
this
hit him or
Sykkuno.
not. All right,
guys
I
go
pushed
make
through it
noise.
with a Marshall. Great idea.
Okay.
Oh, it worked.
Oh, nice shot.
Come on, I'll come heal you.
We have A clear, A's clear, A's
let's go
clear.
A, let's go
Lovely.
A.
B. Oh my
I'm
God.
on. I'm on.
Guys, help! I'm on
I'm
B.
here.
Yep. Pass this off.
One enemy remaining.
Yeah.
Nice. The Jets.
Oh
God, okay.
I saw that.
What is happening?
God.
Okay. I was like, what is she doing? Just standing there.
No!
Wait.
Sykkuno.
Well, how is that? You forgot you didn't have the spike. That's not. That's not what do you mean every time? I didn't.
What the
Oh,
gargling?
Jesus.
Oh my god.
Jesus, the gargling.
Take the spike away from him.
I didn't even have it. I picked it up after the person who had the spike died.
At me.
Oh wait, I think that was me. Wait, did I have the spike?
Yeah, Oh yeah, I think you died with the spike and then.
I died.
Okay,
I
go.
died.
Okay, charge him.